How to become a true successful database administrator. What exactly DBA is? What does DBA do? What are the DBA's job roles and responsibilities? What kind of certifications we need to do to become a true safe DBA? What exactly we need to learn? Let's get started. Let's understand in this short video all about the database administration job role and activities. DBA, Database Administration, is a prominent job role mainly for the purpose of maintenance, troubleshooting, and management of databases. This involves database optimizations, migrations, capacity planning, 24/7 access to your database, customer-centric support, cloud activities, big data activities, and sometimes it also involves patching, maintenance, cloud computing, and few other database related administration stuff. Being a DBA is just like being a doctor. The doctor treats the patients for the problems and cautions, and same way DBAs need to treat the databases for the repairs, health check, and issues including troubleshooting activities. Database administrators also involved in security management concepts. The main advantage of SQL DBA involves 24/7 access to the data. The other advantage of DBA involves routine maintenance, easy planning, easy security activities, easy optimizations, automations, AI implementation activities as well. The main advantage of DBA also includes high pay scale. Now the question here, what we need to learn to become a DBA? Yes, to become a database administrator, we need to look at the components involved. A SQL DBA should have strong foundation knowledge on databases, database architecture, and SQL concepts. Once you have strong foundation on SQL and database concepts, then comes the routine DBA activities like backups, restores, jobs, maintenance activities, security, migrations, high availability concepts like replication, log shipping, mirroring, clustering, always on. Also involves cloud migrations, common issues and solutions, resource governance activities, patching, migration activities pertaining to in-place and out-place activities. SQL DBAs also need to involve in log space, temp DB, memory issues and troubleshooting. Now, the question here, how to master this technology? How to master this technology? Yes, here we are. Once you have strong foundation on SQL and database architecture, learning the actual core DBA skill set is damn easy, very easy and straightforward. In our technical practical classes, the SQL DBA training program, I provide you the complete structured course with complete hands-on activities. In my SQL DBA classes, I have total 3 different plans. Plan A is for introduction to architecture to core DBA and advanced DBA for starter profiles, say 0 to 2 years. I have plan B that includes core DBA plus Azure, the Microsoft Cloud DBA with AI add-ons. This plan B can be opted by freshers as well as junior DBA profiles up to 4 years experience. Beyond 4 years, say beyond 3.5 to 4 years, I prefer you go for plan C. That includes right from the scratch, core SQL DBA with detailed architecture and performance tuning, to cloud DBA concepts and AI implementations, and also ETL admin, extract, transform, load, ETL concepts. Plan A do not have any particular certifications from Microsoft, but Plan B, there is a certification that is DP 300. In Plan C, I'll provide you the complete guidance for two certifications, DP 300 and DP 900. In addition to that, complete hands-on on the Microsoft data platform for ETL management, data warehouse management, and cloud databases, big data management. So Plan C is nice worthy course for experienced professionals with 4 plus in their resume. What more? My class says either you opt for Plan A or B or C of this SQL DBA course. I teach you everything practically step by step. Concept wise notes, concept wise assignments, weekly mock interviews, detailed step by step guidance, and also good amount of hands on for every concept, including the detailed certification care and resume. I take care of your learning. I take care of your resume. I take care of your upskill activities. You please take care of your course and your actual practice once you sign up. Thank you so much for your time and see you there in my live classes.